All right, guys. So we've got the Milwaukee air tips for all you electricians. As you can see, there's 3 different sizes in here. You've got one that goes up to 1.25 inches, one that goes up to 1 7/8, and one that goes to 2.5. So here is the 1.5 inch, or the 1 7/8, and the 1.25 inch. It shows a 1/2 to 1 inch, but that's the size conduit. And then this one is for 1.25 inch and 1.5 inch. And then this big bad boy right here, this sucker right here is a hoss, and I believe it'll go up to a 3-inch conduit. Yeah, this thing here will go up to a 3-inch conduit. So yeah, we've got the Milwaukee air tips, and these air tips will fit any shop vac. So right here is a rigid shop vac, and it's the 12-gallon, and it fits right on this hose, perfect. And just to be clear, I want to show you both of them. This one fits right on this hose, perfect. But also we have the rigid 6-gallon right there, rigid 6-gallon, and it fits right on this hose also. So these Milwaukee air tips, now it fits the little one differently. Instead of fitting snug on the outside, it fits snug on the inside. But these air tips will fit pretty much any electric shop vac. So when you're pulling conduit, these are flexible. They go right in there, super nice. So make sure you get you a set of these. I'll have a link in the description where you can find these. It's the Milwaukee air tip conduit puller kit. Thanks, hope y'all enjoy this and it helps you out on the job. Y'all have a great day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for all our future videos.